Hi guys, here's how you can add AI to Microsoft Excel. So let me quickly open Excel and let me open the blank workbook and go to the Developer tab. Now if the Developer tab is missing, then go to File, go to Options and go to Customize Ribbon. And here is Developer tab. So make sure this is ticked and you will find the Developer tab. Anyway, so go to the Developer tab and click on Ads On and go to the store, and here you can search for the AI. For example, let's search Cloud. So you can also use Cloud, but for this video let's add GPT for Microsoft Excel. So this is ChatGPT and continue, and here's GPT for Excel. So how to use it? So here's a quick video on how you can use it, but this did not work. Anyway, on settings, you can choose the model you want to use. By the way, you only get 100 AI calls. I'm using the free trial and here are the plan details. Now to use it, you just need to use this AI.ask. So for example, let me just input a random data. I'm just adding a random numbers to show how you can use it. And here you can simply use is equal to AI.ask. So this is the option. So you need to write the prompt. So I will just write a quick prompt to find the highest value here. So this is only a prompt example. Is equal to AI.ask. Choose the prompt, comma, and let's choose the range. So the highest value is this one. So this is how you can use it on Excel. And if you want to change models or find details, you can click it here. So this is how you can add ChatGPT and as well use it on Microsoft Excel. Thank you very much.